To operate the rear heater and air conditioner from the front seat, press the rear on-off button on the front air conditioner control panel. This indicator light will illuminate. Then, press the rear control button and turn the driver's side temperature control dial to set the desired temperature. Press this button to lock the rear controls. When the rear controls are locked, the rear climate can only be adjusted by using the front controls. To turn off the rear heat and air conditioner from the front seat, press the rear on-off button on the front air conditioner control panel. To operate the rear heater and air conditioner from the second row seat, the front heater and air conditioner system must be on. Press Auto or the on-off button on the rear climate control panel. Press these buttons to increase or decrease fan speed. Press the up or down arrow button to adjust temperature. Press these buttons to control the rear airflow mode. Press this button to turn the system off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.